Welcome back to Finpod, your daily pulse on the markets. I am Evan, and today we are cutting through the noise to get you the signals that actually matter. Finpod is brought to you by Fintwit.ai, your go-to platform for real-time trading signals and stock insights. Let's get into it. SanDisk is the talk of the town, ripping up over 13%. They hosted an investor day where they unveiled a new flash storage roadmap for AI data centers and announced a strategy to return all excess cash to shareholders. It is a classic case of fundamental strength backing up a massive move. Reddit is also catching a bid, up over 10% in after-hours trading, fueled by the broader sentiment shift in tech and high engagement metrics. Meanwhile, IREN is up about 2% after delivering its first major AI cloud deployment to Microsoft and securing elite status for its infrastructure platform. On the flip side, ONDS Holdings is down nearly 9%. Even though they raised their full-year revenue outlook, the market focused on their wider-than-expected earnings loss and valuation concerns. It is a reminder that in this environment, guidance beats are not enough if the bottom line is lagging. Looking at the broader market, we hit a historic milestone today. The S&P 500 finally cleared 7,800, setting a new all-time high. The catalyst was a cooler-than-expected wholesale inflation report, which effectively nuked rate hike fears and sent tech stocks into a buying frenzy. We saw a clear rotation into growth as bond yields eased, and the breadth of this rally was impressive. In the AI economy, the story of the day is the infrastructural build-out. We are seeing continued massive capital expenditure from the hyperscalers. A major development is a new financing framework backed by NVDA aimed at mobilizing $500 billion for AI factory build-outs. This is turning AI compute into a project finance asset class, which is a massive shift for how these data centers get funded and built. Turning to earnings, Applied Materials delivered a record-breaking quarter, beating on both top and bottom lines as AI demand drives their materials engineering business. Despite the beat, shares were down in after-hours trading, as investors likely took profits after a strong run. Tapestry also reported, beating earnings estimates with strong growth at their Coach brand, though shares took a hit as investors digested their forward guidance. Finally, JD.com reported a profit increase despite a slight revenue dip, signaling a successful pivot to operational efficiency over raw sales growth. That is a wrap for today. Markets are at record highs, AI infrastructure is becoming a massive financed asset class, and earnings are showing us exactly which companies have real pricing power. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Drop a comment if there is a specific stock or sector you want me to break down next. For real-time stock recommendations, visit Fintwit.ai. See you tomorrow.